Okay, we just finished up note card 181 and looked at those two examples, and now I've got note card 182 where we need to do the same type of thing. So let's figure out if there's a similarity shortcut that works for these. Oops. Okay, so this is the first one. Let me just double check. JKL. Yeah, okay, so this is it. Now, remember, we've got side, 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 and angle, angle. And in this picture, we have angles marked. So we have this angle congruent to this one, and we have this angle congruent to this angle. So we have what we need to use the angle-angle similarity postulate. So we say, yes, that they are congruent. Oh, where did it go? I hate when this happens, y'all, because I know you're like, Ms. Sharp, get it together. Okay, so we've got that these are congruent by the angle-angle similarity postulate. And now we need to figure out the similarity statement. So it has JKL, JK to KL. So it started with the one with the one arc and then went to the one with the two arcs. So it's going to go this way, TU to V. So triangle TUV. All right, so the next one we have is this bow tie looking one. So we know that we're going to have vertical angles happening here. I'm going to mark my picture just like I'm going to want you to mark your picture. We know that this angle is congruent to this angle. So if you're not careful, you're just going to go ahead and say side angle, side similarity because we have side, an angle, and a side. An angle that's included. But we've got to check. Yes, we have the angles congruent, but we have to check for proportional sides. So I'm going to start with this one and this one. And this one and this one, just to check to see if they're proportional. And if I don't get the same number, I'm going to try the other way. And if it doesn't work, then they're not similar. So I'm going to try 16 to 40. And then I'm going to check. See, I have 16 to 40. So then I got to go 16 to 39. Now, guys, hopefully you have enough number sense to know that when I type that into my calculator, I'm not going to get the same thing. 16 over 40 is not going to be the same thing as 16 over 39. But if you want to type in your calculator just to be sure, 16 over 40 is 0.4. And 16 over 39 is a nasty, it's 0.41. Da, 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 da. Okay, they do not match. So that route doesn't match. So then I need to try to change this up. And I would do, well, let's try 16 over 39 and 16 over 40. And guys, it's going to be the same thing. It's not going to work because those 16s are the same. So if I did 16 over 40 and then 16 over 39, we're going to get 16 over 39 is 0.41, da, 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 da. And 16 over 40 is 0.4, and they don't match, y'all. So even though we have these congruent angles and we have a side, an angle, and a side, the sides are not in proportion. So guys, no, these are not similar. So we can't even do a similarity statement. All right, so make sure you've taken the time to draw the pictures and to answer the questions. And remember this one, they were not similar. So pause me and finish up note card 82. Lastly, we have that was note card 182. Lastly, we have note card 183, which is an example involving similar triangles. So once we know that the triangles are similar, like in this one, it's stated that they're similar, we